Hello everyone, myself Professor Hardik Prajapati. I warmly welcome to you from Sri Shivsha College of Commerce, Management and Computer Education. There is managed by Jain Citizens Education Society. Today we are study about the English subject in BCom SEM-2 department. So let us start our lecture.
Everyone, in this video we will study about our grammar session. Our grammar session has mainly divided into three parts. First is the part of speech, second is the information transfer, and third is the paragraph writing. So all the three topics have 10 marks each. So the total grammar session mark is 30 marks. Now, let us start our part 1. Grammar is part of speech. There are, remember that three parts. First is the part of speech, second is the paragraph writing, and third is the information transfer. Now in this video we will study about the first session is that part of speech. In this video we will study about the what type of part of speech are available in our English grammar and how to solve the blanks in the university. Now, there are mainly 10 part of speech in our grammar. First is that noun. What is the noun? Noun is a word used for a person, place, of thing. Means that noun is mainly divided used to the part of speech. Noun is a word used for a person, place, or thing. Means that is the noun normally called in Gujarati is naam. There are five noun in English grammar. First is that the common noun. Second is the proper noun. Proper noun is usually used in the single form, means that single person, single place, or single items. Second is the common noun. Common noun is also called is the it is the group of person, group of item, group of commodities, and group of animals. Second is the material noun. Material noun is also called as the used to the different types of material like gold, milk, sugar, juice, etc. Abstract noun. Abstract noun is usually used to the feeling, love, bravery, sadness, happiness, and etc. Fifth is that collective noun. The collective noun is used to group of person like army, like a crowd, like audience. It is not a single or individual person, but it is the crowd of it is means the number of people are available in this word like army. So it is not a called a single man is an army, but army is also called for the different types of the all admiral, all soldier are placed in a single word like army. And next is that crowd and musician, like a sorry chorus, and all the types of the different types of the word are available in collective noun. And now the overall the noun is like that. First is that like a Prajapati, like a Gnan, like a city, like a eat cat. Eat it is a verb, sorry, cat is a noun. Mother, cotton, wisdom, army, etc. Like that, Prajapati Gyan is a proper noun. City is a common noun. Cat is a common noun. Mother is a common noun. Cotton is a material noun. Wisdom is an abstract noun, and army is a collective noun. Okay, there are the different types of example of a noun. You already understand this type of noun in a previous school level examination. Now let us talk about the pronoun. What is the noun and pronoun difference between noun and pronoun? Noun is the single word, but pronoun is the a word used to instead of noun. Means that instead of noun is used a single word is called the pronoun. Like example, we know that the Rahul is a good boy. Rahul is the subject and Rahul is the noun. But when we put not a Rahul and we need to different words for this sentence is again and again are repeated. So the every time we can't write down the Rahul, but we write he for a boy. So this type of word are used to pronoun. Like is that he, she, their, mine, some, this, either, both, all, some, any, himself, etc. This type of pronoun are used to in our English grammar. Means that that type of the material are available, so then can be used with it. If the boys are in a sentence, then we will use to he, and then girls is the subject, then we will we will use the she. There are the different types of the pronoun example. Now second is that the verb. You also already the known this type of word is that verb. Verb is a word of a action performed by any part of a living being. Living being has a work anything type of like eating, singing, dancing, walking, jogging, etc. It's called a verb. For example, describe, write, it is the process. Okay, describe is the process and write is also process. Read, run, sing, know, look, receive, provide, keep, etc. This type of words are used to as a verb. Verb means that the word of action performed any living being is called a verb. Okay, verb is mainly used in our grammar structure like a subject plus verb. Verb has a there are five types of verb: v1, v2, v3, v4, v5. v1 is the main verb, v2 is a past verb, v3 is a past participle verb, v4 is a ing verb, and the v5 is a main verb like a if example is take take, then the v5 is also take or slash takes, that s or es or main verb, that called the v5 verb. So that type of verb in our English grammar. Now let us talk about the auxiliary verb. In the previous slide we were study about the verb. And what is the auxiliary verb? Auxiliary means that the secondary. In in any sentence there are two types of verb are available. First is that main verb and second is the auxiliary verb. And what is the auxiliary verb? Auxiliary verb is a word that helps a verb. Means that the verbs helps the main verb, it's called the auxiliary verb. For example, can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, ought to, do, does, did, have, has, had, am, is, are, was, were, having, need, dare, let, used to, going to, be, been, being, etc. That type of words are used in our English grammar for auxiliary verb. Used to has an auxiliary verb means that it is the provide the support or helps to the main verb. Now That are the auxiliary verb. And now going to adjective. Adjective is a word that adds something in the meaning of noun. Means that the meaning of the noun is word used for a meaning of a noun is called the adjective. What is the adjective? Adjective means that the poor, like a example has take a poor boy. Means that what is the poor boy? Means that boy is a verb. Sorry, boys is a subject, but which type of boy? Poor boy. Intelligent, fast. He is a very fast running. Fast, clever, round, nice, beautiful, this, that, etc. That type of words are mainly used as an adjective. Means it is the word used to the proper meaning or something meaning of a verb. Then it called the adjective. Now let us talk about our next part of speech. Adverb. Adverb is a word that adds something in the meaning of a verb. Verbs, any word used to meaningful of a verb is called the adverb. What is the adverb? The Rahul is going slowly to the school. Means that which type of Rahul is going? Like a slowly, differently, cleverly, very fast, really, etc. That type of the adverb are used to in our sub sentence. Like we'll take one example. Rahul his work. Rahul is cleverly his work. Means that which type of work Rahul done? The cleverly. The Riya is a very smart girl. Very means it is very is a useful word for in this sentence. Sure, the very is our adverb. Like a prepositions. Seven topic is that part of speech is prepositions. Preposition is a word that shows the connection between two words. Preposition is also called as a connectors. Means that it connects the two sentences each other. For example, on the ball on the table, in the bike in the house, among the chocolates distributed among the students, under the cow stands under the tree, into the cat running into the house. Means that what is the difference between in and into? In is a generally used in a single structure, in a single uh, process, but into means that like a something into, means that doing going into in a something or someone else. Before, I have come before the 5 o'clock. After, while, till. You don't go till I said. Until. You don't come until I say. Above. The clock is above the window. Over. The the bridge is over the river. That type of prepositions are used in a part of speech in our English grammar. Now, the this type of words like on, in, among, under, into, before is a very useful words for a prepositions. In the previous previous semester or a previous the school level examination are just we know that, but it is the very useful the preposition for our in a university examination in our future examination. Okay, if you know that about the prepositions, then it is the very must or very useful in our English grammar or English language. Now let us talk about the next. Conjunction. Conjunction is the word that joins the words, phrase, clause, or sentences. Which type of conjunction are available in our English grammar? First is that but, second is the therefore, third is the because, before, unless, and if, until, after, before. That type of words are used in our English grammar like a conjunction. It connects the two sentences each other. Now let us talk about our ninth topic is that article. Article is a word used to denote a single number, a small, a larger number of any common nouns. If any common nouns has a different types of the words like a and the articles. There are three articles in our examination. First is the a and the, and if some words has a common is the like a no article. Now let us talk about the 10th number part of speech is that the interjection. What is the interjection? Interjection is a symbol that shows a sudden feeling such as a joy, surprise, or a shock. If it is the defined as the surprise, happiness, sadness of our life, like an expression of our life. For example, oh, that is a very nice guy. Alas, we lost the match. What? What are you saying that? How? How do you do this type of work? Hooray! We won the match. Hooray! Wow! What a nice nature. Bravo! Bravo means that the winning something or something mm, process like a bravo. We won the match. Bravo! I took the first number in our school examination. Okay, that type of words are used and define the expression of our life. That is called the interjection. Okay. ઓકે આપણે આ વિડીયો રાખીએ છીએ અહીંયા ફરીવાર મળીશું નવા લેક્ચર સાથે થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ